Students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd, human system, and today's topic is another or second system of human is circulatory system. Once again, today we are going to discuss again class 10th science book chapter 2nd, human system, and today's topic is circulatory system. Students, in previous online classes we studied a first specific human system is digestive system. It is another or second human system is circulatory system. First, some specific subtopics of circulatory system is first is blood. Students, in previous chapters like in genetics, all of you studied blood in detail. First of all, blood is a fluid connective tissue. First is it is a fluid connective tissue. It means in the nature, living or non-living things is called substance. Mostly three phases of substance are solid, liquid and vapor. So blood is liquid form. It is also known fluid. Next, to have many cells, to have many corpuscles like RBC, WBC and platelets. The group of corpuscles and cells is called tissue. Second, blood to connect one organ to another organ, one tissue to another tissue. So it is called fluid connective tissue. Next is amount in healthy person or in normal person, about 5 liter. It means normal human to have about 5 liters blood. Next is formation of blood. First is in adult human, in bone marrow part. Once again, for example, I draw a figure of human bone. This is cavity. It is also known marrow. So marrow located in bone. So it is called bone marrow. Next, in embryonic stage, formation of blood. In embryonic stage, in spleen. Students, it is an organ located nearby to stomach. Next, it is blood bank of human. Second, it is filter organ. First is blood bank of human. Next is parts of blood or composition of blood. Mostly two parts of human blood. Mostly two parts of human blood. Blood, it is fluid connective tissue, forms two parts or blood to have two main contents. First is blood plasma, second is blood corpuscles. First is it is about 55% part of human blood. First is second contents of plasma. First is water. In plasma 92% or about 92% water. Next, some organic and inorganic substance in blood plasma. It is 8% part of blood plasma. Inorganic, it means sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate and calcium. Organic, it means some specific proteins like fibrinogen, globulin, albumins. They are organic part. Second, blood corpuscles. Mostly three blood corpuscles in humans. First, RBC, red blood corpuscles. Second, white blood corpuscles. And third is platelets. Students, in parts of blood, the blood corpuscles part give in details in class 10 science book. So blood corpuscles. First, it is a 45% part of blood. First, second is types of blood corpuscles. Mostly three type of blood corpuscles are located in human blood. First is RBC. Full form of RBC is red blood corpuscles. It is also known erythrocyte. Next, students, it means granules like structures. Corpuscles means granules like structures. These granules like structures located in blood and they provide red color to blood. Once again, corpuscles, it means granules like structures located in blood and to provide red color. First is color is red. Next, number is first in male human, second is female human. First is male, about 52 lakh per cubic mm. Next in female, about 47 lakh per cubic mm. Next is nucleus absent in RBC, but in immature RBC to have nucleus, but absent nucleus in mature RBC. Next is contains RBC full to hemoglobin. It means protein part, or it is protein, it is non-protein part, and part is ferrous. Hemoglobin is a compound protein and respiratory pigment. It means to provide color. It means to each hemoglobin molecule to carry 4 oxygen molecules. Oxygen is a respiratory gases. It means we take during breathing, during respiration, to take oxygen. So it is respiratory pigment because to provide color and to carry oxygen. Oxygen is we get oxygen or we take oxygen as a during breathing or during respiration. Next is the most important part of RBC is lifespan is about 120 days. Next is origin in bone marrow part. Marrow, it means cavity, but cavity located in bone, so it is called bone marrow. It is bone marrow part. Next is function. To exchange or carry or transport gases like O2. Next is blood platelets. Second is blood platelets. It is also known thrombocyte. First is number in normal human is 3 lakh per cubic mm. Next is shape. Students, RBC shape is disc like, but platelet shape is irregular. Next is nucleus absent in blood platelets. Next is lifespan about 10 days, but RBC lifespan is 120 days. Next is function of blood platelets is formation of blood clot. Once again, second blood corpuscle is platelets. It is also known thrombocyte. First is in normal human, in healthy humans, about 3 lakh per cubic mm. Next shape is irregular shape. Next nucleus is absent. Next lifespan is about 10 days. Next most important part of platelets and thrombocyte is function, formation of blood clot during injury. Once again, function is formation of blood clot, but function of RBC, it means red blood corpuscles, it means erythrocytes is to exchange or carry or transport of gases like O2. So today's we discuss blood and parts of blood. First, blood plasma. Second, blood corpuscles. And first is blood corpuscles. It is about 45% part. Second, mostly 3 types of blood corpuscles: RBC, platelets, and WBC. Today we discuss RBC and platelets, and next online classes we discuss third blood corpuscle is WBC. It means white blood corpuscles. It is also known leukocyte. So thanks. Have a nice day.